I have made just over $250 in a single day with the tool that I will show you in this video. And you can do this yourself and collect the money in passive income over and over again for an unlimited amount of time. So stay tuned to find out how. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So today's strategy revolves around this site here called Mangles.com. For those of you who have never heard about this website, it is basically an SEO site. And if you don't know what SEO stands for, it means search engine optimization. And what SEO essentially does is help various websites rank on Google so more people can see them as much. Mangles.com basically helps out various websites to get more traffic. As simple as that. Many large companies need Mangles.com simply because they could be paying up to $100,000 for an ad on Google. And if it isn't visible, then all of that money is essentially going to waste. And this is where this website comes in. Now don't you worry, you won't need a website or whatever for this to work. You can actually be a complete beginner and still get paid. Now something that I really love about Mangles that will be very important for us later on is that it offers its users a 10-day free trial. This is very important because people are generally skeptical about websites like these and generally don't love the idea of paying websites without knowing if it's a scam or whatever. So having a free trial is beneficial for both Mangles.com and for all of its potential customers as well. How Mangles.com helps its customers specifically, you can see it right here. You can find the right keywords, it can also track your rankings, and it also offers essential spying on your competition. And these are all powerful features which are extremely helpful for various website owners. Because not only will they bring the most traffic, but they will also overall help build their businesses and earn them a lot of money. Since online marketing nowadays is hugely important for business of all sorts. Now just below, you can see what people love about this site, and as you can see, this includes its great UI. Thanks to which you don't have to be an expert to start using SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. It offers support with SEO skills, and last but not least, it offers its customers one of the best prices on the market as far as SEO tools are concerned. If you scroll further down, you'll come across some testimonials. You will see all the big companies featured here and more information which you can check out. As you may guess, I won't do that. What I want to show you now is what you need to do here, which is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and then click on Affiliate Program. In this video, I will show you how to easily find people who will need this website, and it includes a free way and a paid way, but far more effective to do it. And you can pick between two of them. With that being said, there are several reasons why Mangles.com is so great to promote as an affiliate. For starters, there is an infinite number of customers since new websites are being created literally every single day. But more importantly, the owners of these websites all have big budgets and many are owners of companies. So not only would Mangles be beneficial for improving their business, but we also know that they will have the capacity to pay them. And once they see the improvements in income that they got from Mangles.com, they will want to use it for a much longer period of time. This means that you don't need to refer many people on this website to be able to earn a lot of money. Lastly, the free trial I mentioned in the beginning is also hugely important, and it will lead to many people trying this out. Now this site offers you 30% lifetime commissions, as you can see right here. Even though these are the highest of commissions, they are definitely better than most. Check this out. The average payout from an affiliate is nearly $500 a month, which is actually very good. But I will show you how to earn way more than that in this video. And by the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now, how much exactly you'll be earning per customer is something I know many of you will want to know. You can check this out by clicking on pricing right here. As you can see, they have 3 pricing plans: basic, premium, and agency. And for each of these, there is a monthly and annual payment option. Now, most people from my research go for the premium option since it's the best value for pricing. And as you can see, it costs $40 a month, and for the annual plan, which is only $480 a year. So think about this for a second. If you refer 100 people in a single year, which is insanely low as well, that means you would be making nearly $50,000 a year in passive income. And remember, most people who use this tool will tend to stick around because it's profitable for them. So as you can see, this has an enormous potential to make money for you. In any case, you can check out the features of this website, but I simply won't go over all of them to not prolong the video. Now, to become an affiliate, all you need to do is click on Start Earning Now over here. That will bring you over to this page where you will need to click on I don't have an account in order to create one. And once you do, you'll grab your affiliate link, and now I will show you exactly where to get traffic. The first method in getting traffic involves Google. And what you need to do from here is search for a business type and a city or town. This is something I've shown several times in my previous videos simply because it's a very easy way and effective way as well to get traffic. Now, as you can see, I have searched for gyms in Philadelphia, and what I need to do now is scroll down and click on View All right here. This will now, as you can see, show me all of these gyms that also happen to have websites as well, which are potential customers. What I now want to do is open up any of these sites, then find their contact info, which is located at either the top or the bottom of the page. In this case, I have that email right up here, and what you will do from here is simply contact them via email. Go over all of the great features of Mangles.com, its free trial, great prices, and so on. And you will want to repeat this process with other businesses as well. The real power of this strategy is that you can search for any business located anywhere around the globe, and you will easily be able to find an infinite number of customers, and as you know, you only need a very small amount of them to actually get paid by Mangles.com for you to make thousands of dollars in passive income. This method is perfect for everyone, no matter what the experience, and it allows you to make money from home. And you won't be creating a single video with this at all. It literally does everything for you. This is a fantastic tool which you can make some decent money, and I highly encourage all of you to give this a try, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed with the results. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.